Alright guys, so we've got a 𝐕𝐞𝐫𝐝 version 6 in with this one. So we're just going to go through it and show you how it looks and feels and what the unit can do. So just starting off with the face of it, down the bottom here, you've still got your traction control button, your door unlock and lock button, interior lights and your trip computer. So there's traction control working, interior lights, and then your trip computer. So this obviously brings up all your trip hour, your trip minute, average fuel consumptions, instantaneous fuel, average speed, and your fuel consumption range, so your range left. Just going back home, you got your volume down, volume up, back button, AC controls, your home button, and your power button, which acts as a mute button in this one. So AC controls, that brings you up your AC display page. So if your car's dual zone, it's going to look like this. If it's single, it's only going to have temperature on one side. And this car's dual zone, so you got your fan speed down the bottom, temperature on the right, left and right working independently. Got your modes throughout the middle here. AC on, AC off. So when it lights up yellow, that means it's on. AC on, AC off. You got your auto, circulation, rear demister and front demister. And then another cool option with these ones is your external AC controller. So it makes it a bit more accessible while you're driving. You got your temperature down, temperature up on the top here. You got your rear demister on the bottom left and your different mode selections here. And then AC on, AC off is your middle button. So now going through the unit, this is your home page. So on this side you've got navigation, music, radio, which is your standard AM FM radio, application page, system settings, video, phone link. Now phone link is your wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. Phone will take us into your Bluetooth settings. Google Chrome, AUX in, file manager, sound effects, which is your built-in equalizer and DSP. So we'll just go back to the start here. So navigation, that's going to bring you into whatever's preset on your system. So this one's set as Google Maps. If you've got your internet hooked up on this system, then there's no need for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. That's all just accessed through here via internet. Music. So this is where you access all your USB 1, USB 2, favorited section, and then your local hard drive. AM FM radio. So you've got a whole bunch of presets you can choose from down the bottom here. Back out of this one, you've got your application page. Now with your app page, a quicker way of getting there again, back home, is tapping the Kayhan logo. So through here, we'll come back to this after. We'll go through the rest of these settings. So system settings on this section. So this is how you access your actual Wi-Fi. Mobile network, so your hotspots, Bluetooth settings, general settings, audio, display, version. Whole bunch of different settings you go through. So car model. Depending on what car you've got exactly, if it's a dual climate control or single zone, this is where you want to select that. So Old Falcon, Old Territory single, or Old Falcon, Old Territory dual. This car's dual zone, so we've got to set as dual for now. We'll back out of here. Video is the same as music, so that's where you access all your video related stuff through USB 1, USB 2, or your local hard drive as well. Phone link, we'll get into that after. Phone, that's how you access your Bluetooth. Google Chrome, so again, once you've got your internet hooked up on this one, you've got access to the browser. AUX in for external video or audio playback. File manager, so inside here, this is where you access all your external hard drives or built-in download sections, little things like that. Sound effects. So through here, it's pretty massive, the DTS and DSP that's built in. So you've got a massive range here. Go back out of this one to all your presets, fader balance, DTS, true bass is where you can access your front speakers, rear speakers, and sub independently. So this through here is your main sub control. And then focus is your height dynamics of each speaker. Built-in crossovers, so high pass filters, low pass filters for your front and rear speakers and your sub. And then your speaker delays as well. Back out of this one, we'll go into phone link. So phone link's where you access your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly. Now we are videoing off the phone it's connected, so it's going to be a little bit laggy, so just ignore that. Getting back out of this one, application page. So system comes with YouTube, Spotify, Google built in, Disney+, Netflix, TikTok, 𝐊𝐴ZE, all that sort of stuff is built in. And then through the Google Play Store, once you log into that with internet, you can download a whole bunch of applications that you want on the system as well. So style. So through here, you've actually got a different selection of different themes that you can choose from as well. So if you want to choose something that looks a bit more different, we can select this. The unit's going to power off and then boot back up. This will take a little bit of time as it's actually setting up the new theme pack and stuff like that.